All right, let's now answer part F here, and it does look quite intimidating, but let's remain brave and give it a crack. It says, from the 1st of March, the retirement village allowed each of the 450 residents to invite family members to the cinema. The number of residents and family members who attended the cinema on the 1st of March was 100. The number of residents at the pool on the 1st of March was 265. The number of residents at the library on the 1st of March was 125. The number of family members attending the cinema each day remained constant. So the number of family members attending the cinema each day remained constant. How many people are expected to attend the cinema on the 3rd of March? Okay, when I approached this, I just needed to visualize what's going on. So I said, all right, we're dealing with the 1st of March. We're dealing with the 1st of March. And we've got our matrix. We've got our cinema, we've got our pool, and we've got our library. And now, not only do we care about the residents, but we also care about the family members. Now, we know that they can invite people just to the cinema. They can invite people just to the cinema. Now, we know that there are, in residents, 265 of them on the 1st of March are going to be in the pool, and 125 of them are going to be in the library. We know that there is 100 in total here. In total, there's 100 people in the cinema. So can we figure out, how many family members and how many residents? Now, if you answer the last question correctly, the last question required us to find in the long run. Now, in the long run happened, what we put in was after 50. Now, it looks like we may have gone too far, because if we now look at our numbers, I want you to appreciate something here. 265, and then if we look over here, at our calculator, do you see that? 260, if we round that up, that's 265. And then 125 here, if we come over here, 125. It's just in the long run. So that means how many residents are going to be in the cinema? There are going to be 60. Well, how many family members are therefore going to be in the cinema if we know in total there's 100 people in there? It's going to be 40. Then you could say, we'll continue reading, how many people are expected to attend the cinema on the 3rd of March? We know that the family members attending the cinema each day remained constant. There's always 40 of them. So now we just have to figure out, well, how many residents are going to be in the cinema on the 3rd of March? Well, we know that we've hit the steady state, meaning, even if we were to go 3 or 2 forward from the 1st of March, 2 forward from there, the 2nd, then the 3rd, it's going to be 60. We've hit the steady state. So it's going to be 60 residents plus 40 family members. It's going to continue to be 100. And that is our answer. Our answer is 100. It's 100 because we've hit the steady state. Going forward any further is not going to change the amount of residents, and we've been told that the amount of family members remains constant. So it's just 60 plus 40 is 100 there. That is how I thought this question through. If you can think of a simpler way to think it through, let me know. But that's what I did. Hopefully you found this helpful. This is the last question of the matrices section.